Hi everyone, welcome to Learn English with Miss. In today's lesson, we will find the meaning of unknown words. We will learn how to find their meanings based on the context clues. And also, we will learn how to use them in sentences. So let's begin. Words: barn, straw, hay, grain, livestock. James uses his barn for storing grain, hay, and straw. He also uses the barn for housing his livestock. Words: barn, springtime, bloomed. Springtime was Gemma's most favorite season. During springtime, the flowers bloomed all around the barn. Words: wintertime, bloom. During the wintertime, the animals didn't come out of the barn as much as they did when it was warm and sunny. The flowers didn't bloom anymore during the winter time either. Word: summertime. Everything is green again all around the barn. Yes, it must be summertime. Words: blizzard, fallen. There is a blizzard out by the barn. The snow has fallen everywhere. It looks like a big white blanket is covering the barn. Words: stallion, stroll. Gemma takes the stallion out for a stroll around the barn. Words: left-hand side. Down the road, to the left-hand side of the road, lies the big red barn. In today's lesson, we learned how to find the meaning of unknown words. We learned how to find their meanings based on the context clues, and also we learned how to use them in sentences. Thank you for watching and learning with me. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.